Today I have a Abus 45 millimeter lever lock. It's another lock from the last Peter Lewis package. Here's the key. I think it may be a 3, maybe 4 lever lock. And this lock is very similar to the last one I recently picked. This is a 45 millimeter, number 425 Abus lever lock. And the difference between the two is the keyway. The 45 millimeter is a straight keyway, and the 50 millimeter has a ward right there. So the keys are the same size, but they won't fit inside the keyway because of the warding on that. Lock it. And lock it back. There we go. And I'll be opening it with a homemade tension tool. And I had to modify this one and make a notch in it so it would bypass the ward in here. Otherwise it wouldn't fit in there. And I'll be picking it with this homemade pick wire. There we go. It's the 50 millimeter Abus lever lock. Thanks for watching.